Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. Introducing a bold evolution in eco-adventure, welcome to the 2025 Boost Electric Camper Tricycle. In a world where sustainability meets innovation, this three-wheeled marvel is changing the game for solo travelers, digital nomads, and minimalist explorers. Compact, powerful, and designed for the open road, the Boost Electric Camper Trike is the future of freedom on wheels. At first glance, the Boost Trike grabs attention with its aerodynamic silhouette and ultramodern design. It's not just about looks, this camper tricycle is engineered with functionality in mind. Its lightweight aluminum frame supports a fully enclosed camper pod that merges performance and comfort like never before. Powered by a next-generation 3,500-watt electric motor, the Boost delivers efficient performance for long-distance cruising and urban agility. Its lithium-ion battery pack offers an impressive range of up to 120 kilometers on a single charge. Ideal for day trips, weekend getaways, or even full-time van life in miniature form. With fast-charging technology, the Boost can go from 0 to 80% battery in under 90 minutes, getting you back on the road without missing a beat. The Boost Camper Trike is as smart as it is sustainable. Integrated solar panels on the roof continuously top up your battery throughout the day. Whether you're parked at a sunny rest stop or deep in nature, your trike keeps charging silently and cleanly. The built-in solar capacity isn't just for motion, it powers your onboard living space as well. Step inside the compact camper cabin, and you're greeted by a surprisingly cozy micro-home. It's small, yes, but thoughtfully engineered to make the most of every square inch. A convertible bed comfortably sleeps one adult and folds into a workstation during the day. There's an adjustable desk, USB and AC outlets, ambient LED lighting, and even a pop-up fan system to keep things cool. For chilly nights, the Boost includes a compact ceramic heater powered by the onboard battery system. Storage? You'd be surprised. Modular compartments line the walls, perfect for clothes, gear, and small appliances. Under the bed, there's a pull-out drawer that acts as your kitchen module, complete with a portable induction cooktop, water tank, and collapsible sink. A retractable canopy on the outside extends your living space, providing shade for outdoor cooking or relaxing. Safety is a top priority on the Boost Trike. It features disc brakes on all three wheels, responsive LED turn signals, a high-visibility taillight strip, and dual front headlights for night travel. The Trike's low center of gravity improves balance and handling, even on winding rural roads. And with the added rear-view camera and smart obstacle detection, parking in tight spots becomes effortless. Boost's infotainment system features a built-in 7-inch touchscreen, complete with GPS navigation, Bluetooth, and media playback. It connects directly with your smartphone so you can monitor energy usage, trip logs, and solar charging performance in real time. You can even use the companion app to pre-cool or pre-warm your cabin before you hop in. One of the standout features is its modular rear cabin. With removable wall panels and expandable flaps, you can turn your solo trike into a mini tent on wheels. Perfect for weekend camping trips or digital nomads setting up a mobile workstation in a remote paradise. It's about independence, self-reliance, and a lighter way to live on the road. Whether you're commuting through city streets or heading off-grid for the weekend, the Boost adapts to your lifestyle. No need for fuel stops. No need for noisy engines or cramped van parking. Just plug in at a local charging station, use your solar panels, or connect to a campground power source. Everything about the Boost is designed for efficiency and ease. Maintenance is refreshingly simple. With far fewer moving parts than a traditional gas vehicle, the Boost Trike reduces the need for expensive repairs or routine checkups. Plus, its modular parts are easy to replace or upgrade. From batteries to brakes, everything is built to be user-friendly and future-ready. For urban explorers, the Boost offers the flexibility to navigate traffic like a bicycle but with the comfort and utility of a tiny RV. For nature lovers, it opens the door to silent travel, leaving a lighter footprint behind. And for those looking to downsize and simplify, it offers an affordable, smart living solution that doesn't compromise on freedom. Affordability is another key selling point. With an expected price tag significantly lower than most microcampers or vans, the Boost Electric Camper Trike makes van lifestyle living accessible to more people. There are also government incentives for electric vehicles in many regions, which could lower the cost even further. So, who is the Boost for? It's perfect for solo travelers who want to hit the road without the bulk of a full-sized camper. For city dwellers who crave weekend escapes. For college students with wanderlust and creators who need a mobile studio. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle shift. This isn't just another tricycle with a battery. It's an electric-powered, solar-supplemented, adventure-ready microcamper that invites you to break away from the traditional and embrace something bold. It gives you the freedom to roam, to explore, and to live without limits, all while being kind to the planet. The Boost Electric Camper Trike is more than a machine. It's a passport to a new kind of journey. One that's quiet, clean, and conscious. Whether you're chasing sunsets or escaping city lights, the Boost makes sure the road is always yours to explore.